white towel can help protect you from ticks. These tiny arachnids are becoming an increasingly common problem, not only in forests, but also in gardens, on allotments, and in parks. Take a broom and unscrew the handle. Then wrap a white terry towel around the stick. Terry cloth has a soft, fluffy texture that ticks easily cling to. The white color makes them easy to spot. Secure everything with rubber bands to keep it in place. Use the stick to sweep over grass, bushes, and shady areas. Ticks live at heights between 8 and 28 inches and will attach to the fabric if present. Repeat the process a few times to improve accuracy. The test works best when the temperature is between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and the weather is dry. A quick way to make sure your garden is safe. Ticks will flee from you. This remedy is a lifesaver. I always have one small bottle with me. This spray is natural and completely free. There is no need to spend money on expensive product. I spray it on my overgarments, especially my pants, when I spend time outdoors. I haven't had a tick in many years. Not only will ticks avoid you from afar, the spray is also excellent at repelling mosquitoes and midges. What to do to have such a spray? Just pay attention to one plant on your walk. It is this plant, a natural tick repellent that grows in meadows, under the forest and along roads. Pick a few twigs and take it home. It is easily recognized by its characteristic flowers, which bloom yellow from mid-July. Put the flowers in a pitcher. Pour hot water over them. Set aside for 30 minutes. When the infusion cools, pour it into a spray bottle. Spray your outerwear when you go walking in the woods, especially pants and shoes, and you won't have a problem with ticks anymore. Your veterinarian won't tell you this. You won't see ticks and fleas on your dog or cat anymore. These parasites really dislike this scent. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You'll protect your four-legged friend from ticks and fleas with a simple recipe. With us, you'll create a preparation that's easy and inexpensive to make. It'll last for quite a few walks. You only need a few ingredients. It's really a very simple trick that I use myself. Let's get started. Prepare a bowl and pour in 100 milliliters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix well. After combining the liquids, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix again. Vinegar and dishwashing liquid effectively repel many pests and parasites. Now take regular unscented shampoo. Measure out 1 tablespoon. Mix to combine everything. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Your mixture already has everything needed for fleas, lice, and ticks. Mix it well. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer. Pour the contents of the bowl into the bottle. Now you can easily apply the spray to your four-legged friend. Spray them all over, avoiding their face. You can also use this spray on cats. Such a spray effectively repels ticks, fleas, and lice. Just a few drops will deter ants. If you want to get rid of them in your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. It won't harm plants or household members, but effectively repels ants. To prepare it, you only need a few household ingredients. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense smell disorients ants. Mix the solution thoroughly. Next, add half a teaspoon of garlic, which irritates ants. After adding the garlic, mix again and add half a teaspoon of pepper. Wait a few minutes, then strain the mixture through a sieve. Pour the prepared mixture over areas where ants are present. Cinnamon, garlic, and pepper, especially black pepper, contain substances that irritate ants. Therefore, using this previously prepared mixture will cause ants to avoid areas treated with this solution. Ticks will avoid you completely. Pour cloves into a bottle. Prepare a plastic container, preferably with measurements to accurately dose the product. Pour about 200 milliliters of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the alcohol into the plastic bottle. Add 100 grams of cloves. Cloves have a strong scent, which makes them useful in many ways. Seal the bottle tightly. Let the mixture sit for 4 days. Remember to shake the bottle daily so the ingredients mix well. After 4 days, the mixture will change color, Strain the liquid into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix thoroughly. Using the funnel, pour everything into the spray bottle and seal it. This spray is an excellent tick repellent. Spray it on your hands or other areas of the body. Remember to shake the bottle before each use. I spray my skin before going out, and I'm no longer afraid of ticks. This homemade spray effectively repels them, making it takes a moment, and it provides protection for many hours. Ticks are just waiting for their victims near places where we walk or spend time outdoors. You can find a tick on yourself at any moment if you don't protect yourself from them. That's why it's so important to use repellents against these arachnids. But you don't have to buy them in the store. Their prices are quite high. Homemade repellent is cheaper. You can make it any time and always have it on hand. Just spray the exposed parts of your body and that's it. It's safe for use on the skin. Ticks are attracted to our scent. That's why the spray works if we use a scent that ticks don't like. The whole secret of this homemade spray lies in rosemary. Ticks don't like its scent, but you don't have to buy it. Natural essential oil is enough. Pour a tablespoon of alcohol or vodka into a container first. Alcohol extends the action of the oil. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water, and pour about 40 drops of rosemary oil. Mix everything and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before a walk and put the bottle in your bag. It can always come in handy when you stop for a picnic in the park with friends. Just a few drops will keep ants away. If you want to get rid of them from your garden or home, this simple and inexpensive mixture is all you need. Start by boiling water in a pot. Add a mosquito coil to the boiling water, then toss in a handful of cloves. Next, add a tablespoon of coarse salt. Stir well and let it boil until all the ingredients dissolve. Remove from heat and pour in a small glass of alcohol. Allow the mixture to cool for a few minutes before transferring it to a bowl. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil, which enhances the scent. After a moment, use a funnel to pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the affected areas and say goodbye to ants. Repeat the application regularly, especially after rain or cleaning. This way, you'll effectively keep ants away and maintain your space free from unwanted guests. Ticks fear this liquid like hell. It is discharged as their natural #1 enemy. A repellent made from it will protect you from ticks 100%. Ticks will never bite you again. These harmful pests will avoid you by a mile. You will learn how to make the best and most effective tick repellent. You've probably already wondered how to protect yourself well from ticks. We have the answer for that. Ticks have some natural enemies. They are ants. Ants prey on ticks. They secrete formic acid, which in high concentrations is fatal to ticks. If ticks sense it, they immediately flee in another direction. If you see an anthill on your walk, you can put a tissue or other soft material on it. Ants will leave formic acid on it, but you don't have to desperately search for an anthill to protect yourself from ticks. All you need to do is buy formic acid alcohol at the drugstore. It's formic acid with purified water and ethanol added. All you have to do is dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Simply spray your clothes with it before walking, and you will be 100% protected from ticks.